Honda's return to the small-capacity four-cylinder market has been anticipated for some time, indicated by a series of trademark filings and early industry hints. That anticipation took a major step forward in September when the all-new CBR500R4 appeared on Honda's stand at the CIMA show in China. Shown alongside it was the naked CB500 Super 4, although neither bike was accompanied by official specifications. Now, the first concrete technical details have emerged thanks to a Chinese type approval document for the faired CBR500R4. The document confirms key figures including power output, weight, and dimensions, giving the clearest picture yet of Honda's new four-cylinder sport bike. The naked CB500 Super 4 has not yet been type approved, but it is expected to share near identical specifications using the same engine and chassis, with changes limited to bodywork and a more upright riding position. At the heart of the CBR500R is a newly developed 502cc inline-4 cylinder engine producing a claimed 70.8 brake horsepower. While respectable, that figure places it below Kawasaki's ZX4RR, which delivers around 78 brake horsepower. Weight is competitive, with the Honda tipping the scales at 189 kilograms. The engine is paired with a second-generation version of Honda's e-clutch system, featuring ride-by-wire throttles that enable automatic blipping on downshifts for smoother clutchless gear changes. The clutch actuators have been repositioned to the left-hand side of the engine to improve compactness, while a conventional clutch lever remains in place, allowing riders to override the system and ride the bike conventionally if they choose. The chassis consists of a steel frame paired with KYB upside-down front fork, an aluminum swing arm, and a rear monoshock. Braking is handled by Nissan 4-piston radial calipers. The bike rolls on 17-inch wheels fitted with 120/70 front and 160/60 rear tires. Although Honda has yet to officially confirm global availability, trademark filings offer strong clues. The CBR500R4 name has been registered across Japan, EU, UK, Mexico, Colombia, and Turkey. A smaller capacity CBR400R4 is also expected, with the name already trademarked in Japan and Singapore to suit regional licensing and tax rules.